Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Great. This is our theater. Curtain, the wings, and beyond, empty space. No scenery. All you'll see is the lake and the horizon. The curtain goes up at 8:30, just when the moon is rising. It's perfect. But if Nina's late, of course, the whole effect is spoiled. She should be here by now. My mother's coming to the show tonight. She's bored. And she's jealous. She's angry about my play because Nina's acting in it and she's not. She hasn't seen it or read it, but she hates it. She's angry in advance because even though it's just on this little stage, it will be Nina's success and not hers. She's a psychological case, my mother. She's talented and smart. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. She loves me. She loves me not. See, my mother doesn't love me. Why should she? She wants excitement, romance, and pretty clothes. I'm 25 now. That reminds her she's no longer young. When I'm not around, she's 32. When I am, she's 43. And she hates me for that. And because I don't believe in the theater. She adores the theater. She believes she's serving mankind and the sacred cause of art. I think theater today is boring and trite. The curtain goes up on 3 walls, within which our famous actors are carefully lit. Our high priests of art strut about, showing us how to eat, drink, love, walk, and dress. The playwright squeezes out a moral, a smug, cozy little moral fit for home consumption. Each play repeats the same formula with tiny variations. That's why I flee from the theater, like Maupassant fled from the Eiffel Tower, knowing it would cheapen his mind. What we need is a new kind of theater. We need new forms. And if we can't have them, then let's have no theater at all. I love Mother. I love her very much. But she leads a stupid life. Always fussing about that writer, Trigorin of hers. Always wanting her name in the paper. It's boring. Maybe I'm selfish, but I wish she weren't a famous actress. I'd be happy if she were just an ordinary mortal. Can you imagine what life is like with her? The house always full of famous actors and writers. Can you imagine how I feel? The only nobody there is me. And who am I? Her son. Nina's coming. I can't live without her. Even the sound of her footsteps is musical. I'm wildly happy. It's the end of Act 1. So Act 2 is outside, right in the fire pit. So you guys can just head to the fire pit and I'll join you.
We had hot dogs the last time.